In this video, I'll detail how to change clock to 12 hours for Samsung. So if your Samsung phone time is set to 24 hours, like this, 24 hours time, and you want to change the time on the lock screen and on your home screen to 12 hours from 24 hours, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your clock to 12 hours on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just like this, you want to scroll down and click on General Management. So once you located General Management, go ahead and click on that. Then once you selected that, scroll down until you get to Time and Date. So click on Time and Date. Once you selected that, scroll down until you see Use 24 hours format. If this is enabled, this is going to change your Samsung phone time from 12 hours format to 24 hours. Now, to turn off 24 hours format on your Samsung phone and enable 12-hour clock, all you just need to do is disable this. Then once this is grayed out, you're gonna see use 24 hours format change to 1 p.m. Then if it is 24 hours format, it's going to change to 13 p.m. On 12-hour format is 1 p.m. Then hit the power button and you are good to go. So that is basically how to change clock to 12 hours on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.